We were delayed a couple of hours, but we're here. And first impressions, hilly, beautiful, hot, unique, liberal, as in like immigration just kind of waved us through. The hotel man was like, I'm gonna give you a bigger apartment, no extra charge, and then just, I don't know, they're just so cruisy. The driving, very cruisy. Oh, double vlogging. Stop it. Thoughts on Greece? First thoughts?
Hilly, hot.
Don't take mine.
Good. Summary, proper summer holiday.
Proper summer, yeah.
Yeah, liberal with health and safety.
Literally
rules,
everything.
paperwork.
What was I going to say? Yeah, so we're here for one night. We're going on the boat tomorrow. Everyone's meeting here at 7 tonight, and then we might go out for dinner. This is the prime example of how relaxed they are. There's no like welcome book or anything in the apartment hotel situation. And Tom and I are like, oh, what's the Wi-Fi code? We can't find it anywhere. And this was just under this little bowl of coffee like this, and I thought, do you reckon this is it? This is, they just don't care, and I'm here for it. Oh, twin beds and beautiful purple gold. I'm going to have a nap because I might be dying. We decided to come out for a wander because it's so hot in our room, even though it really feels that well. So we've come to find the sea, which we have.
Fisherman's spaghetti.
Hello, sweet kitten. So sweet. Oh, you tired? Doing some bread? How's the coffee?
Good with a bit more chocolate.
Is it strong? Good morning, everybody. It is now the next day. We have precariously left our luggage in the lobby of our hotel, so we're currently walking back to see if it's still there. And we're just waiting to get on the boat. It's ready at 3 and it's currently 1. Yeah, so I'll let you know if they've been stolen, but I think it will be fine. It's gonna be us in a couple of hours. Tom's also come up with some Greek names for us. What am I?
Kirstos for Kirstius. Thomasus.
Deimos for the captain.
Camos. Sounds a bit Roman, but Odasius is the best one. It sounds like Odysseus. Katharina.
Katerina. Look at the fishies, can you see them? What's your souvlaki out of 10? Your first souvlaki of your Greece holiday?
I'm going to say 7.5.
A 7.5. You're going low early, so
yeah,
to
I'm expecting big.
Here we go, guys. It's our boat. About to hop on this bad boy. Just kidding, this is actually our boat. It's called Victoria. It's actually so hot down here, I need to open this. tension level at right now?
Out of
10. I'm gonna go 7.5.
yeah, I was thinking 8.
I know. Look how pretty that is through the camera though.
Tension is very nice.
Smile and wave. Tension. That's a tension level.
Smile and wave level 2.
Day 3 now, and we're lost in the woods. Just kidding, we're not lost, we're on a walk. We crashed our boat on the first day because one of the engines wasn't working, so we went straight into the concrete harbour and hit another boat in the process, but it was tiny and it ended up being 120 euros and some awkward apologies. And then, so we stayed the first night in Sammy, and then yesterday we sailed to a little cove near where we are now, which is Pescados, I think that's how you say it, and that is this place. It's honestly just a joke, like it's so beautiful everywhere you go. Once again, like, what do you mean? So pretty. Say hi to Lola from Greece.
Hey Lola, hello bear.
She would love this little trail.
What animal is that?
It's not the bear, is it? It's not our Lola.
Brown bear.
That's a small brown bear. That's what we have, a small brown bear. Greece has big brown bears.
So the first thing is you got to make sure that your 2 ropes you're working together like that, okay?
Yeah.
So then you've got your 2 ropes. What I'm going to tie this one around the smaller one. Yeah. So you've got your loop around the tree, back to. Once you've done your bowline so many times, you know exactly what it should look like or where it should got to go.
End of day 3, boat update. Haven't died. Haven't sunk. Haven't hit anything else.
Day 3, Catherine, how are you feeling?
Day 3, I'm still alive.
We're just on our way to dinner. I'm not sure what we're having, where we're going, or what time it is even. Do your best Kermit impersonation.
Good morning. Kermit. This is our captains. We're leaving at 7 AM.
Damos. Gross. Disgusting. How many litres? What do you think?
I don't know.
What's top 12?
Probably a litre?
Why is it in a plastic bottle?
I'm sure it's even Danny knows.
Oh, it's like
I just found out it was
1.5 litres.
Day 4 and we're
Not at the
leaving
moment.
Pescados
We're just going around the corner.
a cave that I don't know the name of.
We just had a very smooth takeoff, leading forward. Everyone did their job. Kirsty's in charge of the anchor. Cameron went on the ropes from the shore. I pulled them in and pulled Cameron in with Danny. Catherine kind of got through the ropes, and then Daisy kind of kept that anxiety under control until she could point where the anchor is and help Kirsty. So,
What was that?
and Dad steered the ship.
Yeah. Long line in, but it went so smoothly. So happy. And Tom did amazing on the long line. He swam it out.
Daisy, come out.
There. And popped it on the same line as this boat here. And now they're just securing our second long line.
10.
I give it a 9.5.
Oh, come on.
That boat's just anchored too. Obviously can't park there. We've made it to Keone. I think that's how you say it. Tom and I were just discussing if you stay in a place for 12 years, legally it turns into your... And this place comes with a boat. Can you even see that? A lot of rubbish, but also a boat. It's much later now, I'm going for dinner. Do you remember the place that we're having dinner at?
What's it called?
Yeah.
No.
It's
Called Alla Medici's.
That's Italian.
Yeah, shit.
We don't really know where we're off to tomorrow. It's either up, down. No, it's either across or down, or up, down this way. Kind of hard.
It's hard to explain without a map. I think it's either kind of like a northwest-west, like a north.
I mean, don't get too
northwest.
technical because God knows this audience.
It's either we go out to an island and then under Ithaca, or up to Lefkas and then around Ithaca. back to
Yeah,
Pitcairn.
basically. We'll figure it out. It'll be fine. Left Keone and now we're on our way to One House Bay and then off to Lefkas, hopefully this afternoon. But I'm kind of worried because they're all in there looking at a map. One House Bay for Lefkas. I forgot to say it's day 4 now. It's Wednesday, and on this beach we just were. We saw 2 pigs, and I didn't get it on camera. And now I'm really sad. No one's going to believe me. There was a black one and a black one with the pink spot on, and there was also a little Scottish Terrier on that beach. And it was super cute because his dad got back into the little speedboat to help his wife out, or whatever the dynamic was, and it was just sitting on the shoreline patiently, and then it started to bark every now and then just to say, I'm still here, please don't leave without me. Super cute. But I really wanted to see a pig up close. We only saw it from kind of far away in our boat, and then swam to the beach and didn't see them. So. But they're there, they live on this island. I don't know if they're friendly or not, so maybe it's best.
Update, we made it. We're doing something called lazy lining.
I remember Cameron googled it when
No, it's in
we
that,
were.
it's in that video.
Yeah, it was in the video. Cameron was like in Brisbane, like googling it. Like, what is this?
I'm assuming there's 2 ropes in the water that go around the boat and there's a weight.
Oh, maybe.
You didn't blow it.
So I'm going to start the engines. You guys pick a lazy line each. Drop them.
So cute. I think it's just sitting on the edge.
You got like half an arm.
Oh, yeah. Where are we, Sophia?
Goat Island.
Safer inside.
Because you kind of need those tracks. What are you doing there, bud? No. No.
Not my password.